Hello and welcome to another edition of Screencasts Online. My name is Rosemary Orchard, and in today's tip video, I'm going to look at the latest update to Overcast and its shortcuts support. For those of you who don't know, Overcast is a podcast app which is made by Marco Arment. It has features not available in the native podcast app, like Smart Speed and online playback. Here we are on my iPhone. In the dock, you can see I've got Overcast and shortcuts, and you can use either or both of these to explore the shortcut support in Overcast. I'll start by opening Overcast. Here I am in Overcast, and you can see some of the podcasts I'm subscribed to. If we go into the Overcast menu, we can look under the Advanced section and see Siri shortcuts. In here, we can find a whole series of shortcut actions, which will do exactly what it says. So, for example, previous chapter, or normal speed, or turning smart speed on, or voice boost off. If we scroll down, we can see that there are also options to star and unstar things, stop at the end of the current episode, sleep in 15 minutes, and also some playlist options like new smart playlists and direct actions for some of our favourite podcasts. When I click on any one of these, Overcast hands off to Siri and shortcuts and gives me the option to add a new shortcut with just this action. At the top, we have When I Say, which is both the name of our shortcut and its Siri trigger. Then we have the Do section with the actions contained in this shortcut. In this case, that's star current episode. Some actions have a Show More option, which you can click to reveal more options, and some of them may even have toggles that you can turn on and off. This, of course, depends on the action. I'll tap back and add to Siri. Let's swipe up from the bottom and open Shortcuts. Here in Shortcuts, you can see a whole selection of my shortcuts, but the newest one, Overcast Star, is in the top left. To find out more information, such as how precisely this works, we can tap these three dots in the top right of this shortcut. Now I can see the action, star current episode, and I can tap on the app icon in the top left and then tap Show Info to see exactly what this action does. In this case, it gets the currently playing episode from Overcast and stars it. I can close the info pane with the cross in the top right. Now, I'll tap Done, and let's look at creating an Overcast shortcut in Shortcuts itself.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.